pepper. Nothing. I got nothing but this gun. Fucking zero around here.
I know, yeah, I ain't seen shit either.
Got the
Let's move up.
cans, brilliant.
Let's move up to LZ Connor. LZ Connor is in disarray.
Everything's smashed to bits.
Seems to be a lot of high-powered gear on here, but I ain't finding it.
Yeah, it's been in the gun store. Oh, there's a truck. I can hear a vehicle. Sounds like the vehicle that's just killed us.
Why was we over this way?
Yeah, over behind us though. Yeah, there it is, man. There it is. Going up the hill. Back to the road.
I thought we was at Camino firing range, no?
Alright, then maybe someone else. Oh, hello. Because pistol whipping dudes.
I know, we need fucking shooters. That truck's a while away yet. It's getting in fucking Connor.
Who the hell's firing some kind of rocket launch?
I'm even pistol whipping as well.
Moving on up, sucker.
Yeah. That pistol's close.
Might be even closer if we're not careful. Oh,
Big gun that.
big. Wow, got a picked up a Bergen. Wow, shit, dude, that's close.
I'm not seeing any like flashing or flaring or like that. See quite well in here, can't you? Get over there, man. Let's take that shit for our own. She is one of our own.
Yep, I see two dudes. Base of that destroyed tower.
What's all that crap over there?
Can you see the two dudes? They're running around the base of it.
Yeah, I can see one.
Definitely
Yeah, I
two.
can see the other.
Yeah, what, they're coming over this way, aren't they?
Shall we get down there, meet him up? Say highs.
What, Pistally?
Pistally highs.
Trying to keep low, keeping the shadows.
Yeah, man, use the trees. Run toward the trees.
He does the jam gun. This is where shit's about to get serious. I've just picked up a Bergen. I've got 10 million in my pocket. I can hear a truck of some description. Well, a lot of firepower around there. Oh, it's sniping somewhere.
Have you returned fire yet?
No, not once. Dude, if you look on the map, there's quite a few dudes knocking about. The guy right next to us here, you know.
Yeah, I know there is.
Just picked up a rocket launcher lying in the weeds.
Just come out the entrance.
Yep, coming up this way. Oh! Wow. Yeah, so he's upstairs in the gun store.
Oh, he looked like he was round the back to me. There's a guy that come into the hill with us.
What, behind us?
In front of us. He's just ducked over the hill.
Oh, can hear someone running. Oh, dude, he's right next to me. He hasn't seen me.
Where?
Fucking hell, can't move. He's in the bushes.
I'm with you here. I'm only a couple of meters away.
He's just across the road.
What's the road?
Yeah, he hasn't seen us. There he is. Then I'm gonna come up behind this punk.
Let me find his boyfriend then.
Two of them here.
You got one?
Got one, but there's another one.
Where is he?
He's armed to the teeth as well.
Got him. Oh, where's my gun? Gonna go round to his right.
There's a guy coming behind us.
He's coming out. He thinks I'm you. Shoot him. Dude, get him.
No, dude, I've got another one. Another one come round, flagged us. Where is he?
Is he up road? Sidestepping me. Got him.
Awesome, dude. I tried to get a few shots, but
Him there.
right.
Another guy behind you.
I'm running. I'm nearly out of ammo, dude.
Did he get you?
Nope. Oh, somebody else got me.
Oh, popped his lid.
Dude, stay there, man. There's two of them. There's definitely two of them. A guy got me from behind, so try and stay
I've
close.
got 3 bullets left with pistol. Always killed himself as well.
Try and stay close to another person. If I can spawn in as quick as I can, I'll be able to.
He's here. I've got him.
One enemy player in with you. I'm spawning in.
Wherever I am, he's very, very close.
Right, okay. I'll see where I spawn.
Got me. Pistol whipping totally tilled up dudes is where it's at.
Right, I'm fucking going for it.
I said I only killed one then. I'm sure I killed 2. How do you spawn on like your teammate?
Select it.
Worse, let's see where. Towns, beacons. Agio Cypherus. Oh, right, 1 friendly. 2 enemy, right, 2 enemy. Can't spawn on you.
Got one of them, dude.
Oh, I'm coming.
Ah, god damn it! He was upstairs.
Right, he's upstairs in the building.
He's on. Yeah, he's in the gun store upstairs.
Right, well, I'm here now anyway. So at least we can spawn on each other.
Fucking hell!
Where am I?
I got the guy downstairs, but there's one upstairs. It's hard work with that night vision on, you know.
Yeah, I know it. I fucking.
Oh, I can't. There's 2 enemy players. Hang on, it might be alright in a minute. Some guy's just been murdered. Yeah, it says there's 2 dudes at the minute, man.
I'm hitting it up.
There's definitely a guy upstairs. I'll just sit tight for a minute, see if he comes
Yeah,
out.
yeah, they're shooting inside the building. My gun keeps disappearing.
One friendly, two enemy. Three enemy, brilliant.
Can you hear a guy talking on comms here?
Still fucking action round there, innit? No matter
Yeah,
how long you leave it. Where are you? Right next to that building.
I'm looking in the door, so. Oh, got a character. Oh. Oh, I shot him then. Shot him. He's a.
Right, move position, man. Oh yeah, there's a guy flanking you to your left.
Yep, got him. I think I shot him in the face then.
There's a guy looks like he's running off down the hill.
Yep, I got him. Got me.
God damn it.
God damn it.
I'll go random.